Hello everyone. Let's talk about inheritance tax. So what is inheritance tax? As the name suggests, it is the tax that one have to pay while inheriting the property from his father or mother. So is that good? Is that bad? We will cover up in this video. As we can see around that in India, there is no such thing as inheritance tax. We have income tax, we have wealth tax, but no such thing like inheritance tax. But if we see in many of the European countries and in some American countries also, the concept of inheritance tax has been prevailed from a long time. If we see in Finland, in Sweden, the Nordic countries, inheritance tax, and in UK and Germany also, it was introduced many time ago, but it have not given a very significant result. So let's talk about the pros of inheritance tax. So the inheritance tax follows the ideology of socialism, of equality, economic equality, of the Robin Hood concept that taking from the haves and giving to the have-nots. So is that good? Is that bad? Bad. Will give rise to the debate on socialism versus capitalism. But uh, economic equality should prevail in the society, at least to some extent. It should not be like one is having billions and hundreds of billion USD, and another is just striving for food in the same country. So I think to a certain extent, economic equality must be there. But uh, promoting socialism on the cost of capitalism and entrepreneurship and businesses is not good, I believe. And the other benefit of this inheritance tax concept is that it helps in dealing the nepotism. In the recent times, a lot of talks about nepotism is has has rised in Indian atmosphere, in Indian media also, social media also. Nepotism is in almost every industry. We are just trying to focus on one or two industry like the Bollywood and politics, but almost in every industry there is something exists as nepotism. Um, so dealing with it through inheritance tax can be a good effort. And I think so that is the right perspective to see inheritance tax, that new people, the people who are not from the haves, can also grow as much as others. So inheritance tax in such a way is seen as a very positive initiation. And I think it will also help uh, to balance up the society and make the opportunity for the people who do not come from such a background, that they do very much that they do very great. There are some exceptions, but generally it is seen that that people who came from have background uh, achieve more. So it will give opportunity to everyone. So that is very good aspect of this inheritance tax. As I mentioned, the socialism aspect, socialism will increase and economic equality will increase. So that is also good, as many of the reports suggest that in India economic inequality is very high. One person is sitting on four chairs and four persons are sitting on one chair. So um, this was the thing that many reports mentions about India. And as we compare it with US and China, they are also not very good. But in economic inequality in India is very high as compared to almost all the other major countries. So inheritance tax will definitely help in dealing with this inequality. If we talk about the cons, then there are also cons. Anything which have pros also have cons, almost everything. So number one con is motivation to do great in business and in other aspects will go down. The common the common urge of a human being is to give their entire earnings of the life to their next generation. And if that have a tax, if that have a heavy tax, that is there in the western countries, like 30, sometimes 30% and all, then the motivation to do great and earn a lot of money and do great businesses will definitely go down to a great extent. So that is a very uh, high cost that the nation have to bear for this socialism, concept and inheritance tax. And overall, so this indicates that yes, we should avoid it for the businesses, but then what are the sections we are going to target? So definitely, this indicates that inheritance tax should not be there. uh, Second is that it have many loopholes, because as gifts, many of the people, as we have seen in the west, that to avoid inheritance tax, people gift their uh, gift their entire property their to their family members, and as gift tax is not a very famous and not a very widespread concept among those governments. So it is a kind of loophole, and many people have used this loophole to avoid the inheritance tax. And uh, and uh, number three, the con is that not much revenue. uh, Government gets some revenue out of it, government gets some tax, but it is not much as we compare to the total revenue of the government. As we are talking about the western countries who have this concept of inheritance taxes, India does not have, we don't have data. But in other countries, it is less than 1% of total revenue. The inheritance tax is not as is not as hu- is not as helpful for the government as it sounds. In UK, we have seen that it is almost 0.5%. Same is for almost all the countries. So that is very less. And for being and for such a small amount of relatively very small amount of tax, the government will have to bear a lot of many lo- will have to bear a lot of degradation in the motivation to do business, and that is uh, not a good idea. So all in all, I believe that the in this aspect, if we go realistically, then the cons overlap the pros. So that is why India have played very wise and haven't imposed the inheritance tax in India. And I think it did a good job here. And rather than moving to core socialism, we should try to shift towards capitalism, because that will really help us boost our economy, as we have seen in China also. So not copying the China model, but not uh, going going so core socialism, and promoting businesses will help in India. So inheritance tax is not a good option according to me. Thank you very much.